beautiful people, if I can speak. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Happy Monday. So what did you guys do on the weekend? I didn't tell you, but me and Jamie went to Italy. We had nearly a full week there. So we flown on, what day was it? So not this Friday just gone, the Friday before. And then we got back in London on Friday, well, kind of like Friday night. Then we stayed in London for the full weekend, and then we're back to Sheffield yesterday. So I had a really nice weekend in London. I spent way too much money than I should, but yeah, it was fun. And it was nice to see my mum and dad. So yeah, really, really nice. Back on the craft room today. I'm so excited because when I gone back before we flown, I said, oh, when I come back, I'm just gonna have a couple of more days to finish my Christmas crafting. I'm a bit behind schedule. I would have liked to finished by now, but no, I'm running a bit late, so I'm just gonna make a couple of projects today. You will see them staggered in the next couple of weeks. And then guys, in case you missed it, from the 1st of December up to the 25th, we're gonna have a daily freebie. So it's my daily advent calendar. Each day I'm gifting you a free printable from the 1st of December to the 25th, and then the 25th, which is Christmas Day, it's gonna be very nice and big. Yes, it's just my way to say thank you to every single one of you. I do my advent calendar every year, and it's something that you guys love, and I love doing it as well because I love giving more than receiving. And I think, you know, it's nice to give something back to you guys because you guys do so much for me. So right, so today I'm gonna be playing with my newest kit. It's called Christmas Ephemera. It's a mini kit. It's only 4 pages and it only costs £1.50. Very, very cheap. So you've got one page with a background, and I don't really know what you can see, but there are some silver foil and glitter paper. So that's red, pink and blue are glitter. So now I don't really know what you can see on camera. Then you get a second page with a pillow box. So if you follow, don't know if you can see on camera, but in real life you can see them in flash. Yeah, there are some lines that you follow to fold this. Of course, this is printed on copy paper, so you need to print this on a cardstock. And then you got a scallop envelope. And then this is what I'm gonna do today. We're gonna be making some Christmas stamps because I want to put them in my Christmas cards just as a little extra gift. And then page number 4 is a milk carton box. If you're familiar with my kits, I love designing milk carton boxes. I have 2 on my desk. So this is one we made using not long ago, actually, my newest kit called Floral Denim. And basically, and this is very old, but it's the same construction. So you've got the 4 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the 4 size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 2 on the tab are the bases, which you unfortunately you can't see, but this go inside and you glue them all together, and then it's very steady. It's very, very hard. Those 2 triangles are those 2. You see that one and that one. And so once you print it on a cardstock, you simply score the lines, and then you will see it gently pinched it, and then these little strips on the top, it's this one here. Now you can glue it and you just put a little ribbon, but I always gift this with a little peg because I want the person to be able to reuse this gift box. So, and I've done the same with this. So this is one of my floral kit. But yeah, I love designing and making milk carton boxes, and that's the Christmas edition when you got the children and Father's Christmas making a really nice, I want to say cake, but it always looks like a pizza with some tomatoes. So you decide what Father's Christmas is making. Leave a comment leave a comment down below. Is he making a cake or is he making a pizza? I think it's making a pizza because Father's Christmas is Italian. No, it's not. Right, so what am I going to do? And I'm going to kind of speed it up because I don't want to bothering you, make you fall asleep. I've got my scallop scissors. Okay, so I'm going to cut every single one of them. And on my desk, I got some scraps. Okay, so this is the scraps I have used when I made a couple of weeks ago, I think, or last week. I'm lost the track because I scheduled the videos before we went away. When I made my Christmas cards. So yeah, so I have used this lovely red cardstock and this it's like craft cardstock, but it's not like a brownish color. So that's the scraps. So I'm hoping, yeah. You see, one side is textured, one side is plain. So I'm going to use the texture. Now I'm hoping that I can get few on this. I hope I can get 2 of them. Yeah, right. So I'm going to fussy cut them all very, very quickly. And then I'm going to glue them on here. And then I'm going to use one of my stamps, my postage stamps. Do you think we can use glitter as well? Oh, why not? I think I'm going to use that with that. Yeah, let's... yeah, Now, because I got the scraps here in front of me, can we have a glittery stamp? Well, why not? No, this is too small. Right, let's do a BO license, a creative license, and let's have some... My only concern is, will the ink stamp? Right, let's do it and then let's play together. Okay guys, so little problem, when I was cutting them with these scissors, I was like, oh, something doesn't look right here. So let me get one of the first ones I've cut. Yeah, so I forgot that I have 2 scallop scissors, one like this and one when it's more like a curve. I don't know how to say that, but let me just put them back. So I was cutting, I was like, this does not look right. So yeah, so I made a mistake. So this is the first one I've cut, and that's the second one I cut. So as you can see, it's got 2 separate ones, but never mind. So what am I going to do? I'm going to try, and I'm sure I've glued them. I can glue them in here, that's not a problem. And then I cut the gold glitter paper with the scissors again, so just to give it that really nice shape. And see how many of these we're gonna have. I think for speedness, I'm gonna use double-side tape. I don't think I'm gonna use glue, or mind you, could probably use glue, but yeah. So yeah, that kind of like the steps. So I'm gonna glue them all together, and I'll be right back. Okay, so all my stamps are cut. Love them. Yeah, I really like the silver ones and the gold one. I think it really works. I wasn't sure in the beginning. But then I thought, oh yes, please. So I'm going to use this one there and that one there. This is, don't ask me guys, because this is from one of the card making magazines. you know, when you get the free stamps, they're not technically free because you pay for it, but yeah, they sell it as free. So yeah, so that's that. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to use them like that. So just simply gonna use my finger, just gonna stamp that there, maybe twice, and then I put maybe on top of it. What do you guys think? So just give you the idea of being stamped. You see this one here already got some in there, so I just put it, yeah, perfect. You can go as crazy as you want or not as crazy as you want. Let's do a sparkly one together. I just really hope that it's gonna work. Oh yeah, it will. Hehehe. I'm a very happy bunny. And then I think I'm gonna go like that on this one. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you get the gist. So I'm gonna stamp them all and I'll be right back. Right guys, quick flick through. I'm just gonna put them all on the desk so you guys can see them. Okay, they're very, very similar, of course, but each one of them is unique. Now, these can be fabulous craft fair ideas. So in case you guys are not familiar with it, all my digital kits are protected to copyright. Okay, so the Angel policy is that you can print them and sell everything that you make paper-wise. Like, it has to be a physical item, so you can't resell them as digitals, of course. Although I had this lady, she's been she's been a bit naughty on Etsy. I don't sell on Etsy, I only use my website, and she literally resell my kit exactly as they are. Now, I use a company, I pay a yearly subscription for a company to look after my intellectual right. So they are now dealing with her, but she's got to pay a big fine because she's stealing my property, which is intellectual property. So if you guys sell digital kits, I suggested that you protect yourself with copyright, because there is a copyright law. So yes, unfortunately this lady has to, you know, cancel her Etsy account. But yeah, it was I mean, why would you dream to do that? But anyway, so yeah, coming back, yeah, they are fabulous craft fair ideas. So you can sell in a little bag, maybe like 10 of them, pack of 10, a pack of 15. And I think people will buy them because they're super cute, super cute. That's my favorite, one of my favorite. Guys, I'm going to go. I will put the link of my Christmas ephemera paper in the info box in case you guys wish to purchase it. I will see you on Wednesday for a fabulous video. We are going to be playing with frosted gingerbread. We're going to make some 3D biscuits. Yes, we're gonna make some cookies using these dies. Watch this space. All right guys, I'm going to go. Have a fabulous day. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And if you're new to me, considering subscribe, because it's nice. You guys subscribe. Right guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.